Hi, my name's Natasha, and this is my first ever video for my account, and I'm going to be singing Payphone by Maroon 5 because Maroon 5 is awesome and I love to sing, and apparently I'm a good singer. But comment if you like, and to tell me if you like it or not, like if you think it's good, and subscribe if you want me to sing more, and then like other stuff, and comment what songs possibly, and if I know them then I'll try to sing them, but this will probably end as a fail, so yeah. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Wherever time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. But it's too late to make it. But is it too late to try? There's no time that we wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my life, you turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. And at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Oh, we turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. No, it's said it before that all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my rights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone.
I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me I'm stunting. And all of my girls know where to push up a button. Telling me I changed as I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you can tell it I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could've saw. Sad to say it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wish like all way, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take a little piece of shit with you.
I'm on a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where has the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Yeah, now I'm at a payphone.